everyone. Today I am going to teach you parrot drawing. Now let's get started. First, in the middle of the paper or your book, you should write heart shape like this. Now, top of it, you should draw like this one curve. Means you will draw you like this, right? So that one you should reverse it. Now, in this down, you should draw oppositely one more heart. So this one is wing. Now here, draw one eye like this, one dot. Now beak. Let's do a beak. Now beak will be like this. First like this, next like this, next like this, and next like this. Means we will write M like this, right? That one sidely you should write like this. Like this. Like this. Now up some will be like this, right? Like feather, like that. We will draw that one. Like this, like this, like this. Means how to write that means first you should draw like this, next like this, next like this, next like this. Minimum three curves you should come. Okay, now like this we draw it, right? So for this, now here is there, right? Like this one line and like this one more line, like that only here also. This and like this. These are the branches. We are drawing like this, okay? These are the branches. Now on the branches we should write leaves. So the leaves, how to write is one curve like this and like this and like this. And here also one. And here also one more. Okay. Now this side we will draw. Same as we wrote at this side. Minimum 3 leaves. Now the leaves also finished it. Now let's write the sun and the clouds. First we will draw the circle, right? Like that we should draw a circle. After the circle, now first big leaf like this and some small and so smallly like this. So it will come neatly weaved like this. For that like this. Now like that only we will draw some. Okay. We finished it the sun. Okay. Now let's draw clouds. Neatly I will show you. See, first one curve like this and one more curve, one more curve and one more curve. Like that, like this, like this, like this, like this. And one more we will draw 3 curves. 1, 2, 3. Like that only down. 1, 2, 3. In middle like this. Okay. Now let's draw. I will tell you which colors where, okay? Here and here the clouds white. Just note it down in that so you can be remembering. White. The clouds will be white every time. So the remaining part all blue. Light blue. blue everywhere here, blue. Okay, now here what you should color? Only brown, right? Brown. So brown. Here also brown. Okay, the leaves will always be in green color. So we should color the leaves in green color. So we will know that. Just keep a G if you don't know this. So which you can do dark green or you can do light green. It is your wish. Now in here there are some more parts there. Those are one like this. Here one, two, three, three. Now here yellow. Here purple. And here is pink. Here orange. Beak is orange. So write O. There is no space, right? So you can write O. Now here red. You can color here feather like that red. You can do any color, but these should be same. You can sketch on those with first draw it with a pencil. After that, you can trace on that with the marker, black marker. Okay. So these are the colors mainly, and here the sun is there. Right? You can do light yellow or you can do dark yellow. So yellow. This is the drawing. Okay. There are colors also. How we should get like this? There are oil pastel crayons, right? With those crayons, you first write the draw color with light blue, and on that you can draw with on that white. Okay. So it will become this color. So here the drawing has been finished, right? So bye everyone. See you later. Please like, share, comment. Bye bye.